Ever wondered how your grandparents managed their money before the internet? They probably relied on a trusted brick-and-mortar bank, a place with tellers, vaults, and maybe even a free lollipop if you were a good kid. But with so many online options these days, are traditional banks still relevant? Today, we're diving into the Commonwealth Bank, often called CommBank. It's a household name in Australia, but for those unfamiliar, is CommBank the real deal or something out of a financial fantasy? Let's rewind a bit. The concept of a Commonwealth Bank isn't unique to Australia. Many countries have established similar institutions, often with a government stake. The idea is to provide a safe and stable financial environment for citizens. So, is the Australian Commonwealth Bank a real bank? Buckle up, because the answer is a resounding yes. Established in 1911, CommBank boasts a long and storied history. It's actually Australia's largest retail bank, meaning it focuses on everyday people like you and me, not just giant corporations. CommBank offers a whole suite of financial services, from transaction and savings accounts to loans, credit cards, and even insurance. They have a massive physical presence with branches and ATMs across Australia, but they've also embraced the digital age with a user-friendly online banking platform and mobile app. Now, with all due respect to CommBank, traditional banks haven't exactly been known for their breakneck speed or cutting-edge tech. But CommBank is actively trying to change that perception. They're investing heavily in digital innovation, and their app consistently ranks high in user satisfaction surveys. But here's the thing, CommBank isn't the only player in the game. The rise of online banks and fintech startups has shaken things up for traditional institutions. These new players often lure customers with sleek interfaces, competitive rates, and a focus on speed and convenience. So, where does that leave CommBank? Well, they face the challenge of maintaining their legacy as a trusted brand while adapting to this new, fast-paced financial landscape. Here's the good news, CommBank seems to be up to the challenge. They're constantly innovating, offering competitive rates, and integrating new features like budgeting tools and digital wallets. They understand that today's customers want their bank to be accessible, transparent, and secure, all while keeping up with the latest tech trends. Ultimately, the decision of where to bank comes down to your individual needs and preferences. Do you value the human touch of a physical branch, or are you all about the convenience of online banking? Are you a techie who craves the newest features, or do you prioritize a bank with a long history of stability? CommBank offers a good balance of tradition and innovation. They're a safe and secure option with a proven track record, but they're also moving forward with the times. So, if you're looking for a reputable Australian bank with a wide range of services, CommBank is definitely worth considering. Of course, this isn't the only bank out there. Do your research, compare options, and find the financial institution that best suits your needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.